Are you using agents in Microsoft 365 Copilot? If you've got the license, I'll show you where to find them. At 365 Training Hub, we're all about Copilot, and here's today's tip. Here I am inside Outlook, and I've clicked the Copilot icon on the left-hand side. If you don't have that, go to the Apps button. You'll find it located at the bottom of this list, and then you've got it pinned to your taskbar. You'll find the agents up the top right. Just expand that icon and you'll see you've got Researcher and Analyst and any other agent you might need. Now I'm inside Teams and I've clicked the Copilot icon on the left-hand navigation rail. In Teams you'll find your agents over on the top right. Expand the navigation rail and you'll see the same agents listed here. Have you got the M365 app installed? Go down to the search bar and type in Microsoft Store. Go to the store and type in Copilot. You'll notice there's two options. We want to install the app, which is M365. Follow the instructions to install the app, and then you can pin it to your taskbar so you've always got access to it. On the left-hand side, you'll find your agents are listed here.